Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are going to do a braid out and perm rod set. If you're interested, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And let's get into this perm rod set. So these are our main two ingredients for today. As y'all see, I have blown out my hair and I went ahead and applied this leave-in by African Pride and blew out my hair. I also gave myself a little trim to help out with making it easier to create this braid out perm rod set so it can be more fuller and more easy to do, especially since this is my first time doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and then get ready to apply the Luster Pink Super Moisturizing Curl Definer. I have used this product with a braid out before, but today we are going to be doing a braid out and perm rod set. So this is Luster's Pink. This is how it looks. Got it from the beauty supply. I think it was about $7.99 and it is very, very creamy. I'm gonna go ahead and apply not a lot, maybe like a dime size, 3/4 size amount to this hair. And just to make sure, I don't want to revert my hair. I just want to apply enough moisture and curl defining cream to my hair just so it can be moisturized. As y'all know, I've already applied the leave-in, so I shouldn't have a problem with my hair being moisturized. So let's go ahead and break this section into 3 sections and start braiding my hair down. I just do this like I do a regular old braid out. Braid my hair all the way, and I don't go all the way to the end. I go about 3/4 of the way. As y'all will see in a minute, I am going to go 3/4 of the way and then start applying the perm rod set. So depending on the length of my hair for each section, I will braid 2/3 of the way and then apply the perm rod. Here I went a little further, but essentially my goal is to be between halfway and 3/4 of the way. So I do apply a little more defining cream to the ends of my hair to make sure the ends of my hair are moisturized, and this also allows the perm rod to help curl my hair. So essentially I'm trying to say it'll help my hair like lay more flatter on the perm rod. I don't want any of my ends sticking out. As y'all see here, I'm kind of like checking to make sure none of my hair is sticking out, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull and secure that perm rod in to my hair. So as y'all can see, I'm like smoothing my hair down just to make sure that none of my hair is sticking out, because I don't want it to look all frizzy at the end. And this is how essentially your hair should look. So let's go ahead and go to the next section. At the nape of my hair, I did about 3 perm rods. I think throughout my whole head, I might have done 20 to 25 perm rods. I'm not sure exactly how many, but it took me maybe about 30 to 40 minutes to apply this to my hair. So not too long to apply it, but it is a process because you're braiding rather than twisting. So twisting, you can go a little faster. Braiding, it kind of you got to make sure everything flows how it needs to flow, or the braid out will not necessarily come out that well. So the reason why I chose to do a braid out perm rod set is because I wanted my hair, even though it was blown out, I still wanted it to be elongated. So I wanted the full volume of my hair to come through. So as y'all see here, I did go about halfway on this piece of hair, and now I'm about to apply the perm rod set to my hair. So I make sure my ends are smooth on the perm rod, and then I go ahead and roll it up, a little bit past where the my braiding pattern ends, just to make sure all the hair that is like not braided gets into the perm rod and is able to be curled with the perm rod. All right, so this is the last perm rod I am going to apply. Go ahead and roll it up on my hair and clip it in. So this is essentially how my hair looks at the end. I'm making sure that my hair is smooth on the perm rod. Like, that's like one of the most important things that you can do to the set. It's just to make sure your ends are perfectly smooth and is not sticking out at all, not peeking or not anything. So make sure you do your best to like tuck the ends of your hair in. This is how my whole head looks after I finished a perm rod set. Like I said, I probably did 20 to 25 perm rods in my hair. And this is actually the next day after I've let it air dry. And I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half the night before. So, and then I let it air dry the rest of the night. This is how my hair looks. It's not that much frizz going on, especially at the crown of my head. So let's go ahead and take this hair down. As y'all can see, my ends curled up very, very well. So I am happy about that. It looks really cute to have a little curl at the end of your hair. So just like it's more like a manufactured curl, not like your own natural curls. But all of my ends pretty much came out smooth. That one's not that smooth, so I probably didn't tuck it in as well or didn't add enough product. But majority of my ends are smooth. Like that one's pretty smooth. It's not that much frizz at all. So I am checking to make sure that all of my ends are pretty much dry as I take them down, because I was fearing that maybe I had to get back under the dryer and, dry my hair a little more. But pretty much all of my ends are dry. So that is one thing that I didn't have to worry about. So I am gonna apply some oil to my hair as I unbraid it. So I apply it just all over my hair first, and then as I go through my hair to take it down, I am applying it with different spurts. Like every once in a while, I'll apply a little bit more to my hair just in case, you know, my fingers don't have the product on it. But as y'all see here, my hair is very wavy and very like braid out-ish, like it's giving the braid out vibes. So I do go ahead and separate my curls as well. The oil is gonna help me not, like it's gonna produce frizz, but it's not gonna allow me to have too much frizz. So curls and my braid out, all those things. The oil allows you not to have as much frizz as you go through this process of taking down your hair. So this is how my hair look once I have taken almost all of it down. I am on the last braid, so I do take my time as I take it down. I have already applied oil to my fingers. As you'll see, my fingers are like a little greasy. So I have applied oil, and this helps, as I said, again, to avoid too much frizz. Like overall, if you just look at my hair, it's not even that much frizz, like a little bit. And I think that's only because maybe my hair my hair is not naturally so stretched out. So, you know, it wants to be like curly and coily. But this style is definitely cute. But I am going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb, or you can use a pick, whatever you feel like, and pick my hair out just to make sure that it helps with the parts from my different braids, having them in, and just fluffing my hair out just so it can have its maximum volume, because that is basically the look that we were going for. This is how half of my hair looks once I have picked it out, and this is how all of my hair looks once I have picked it out. Even though it kind of looks like I got a mean face on, I like my hair. I liked it like this so much. Um, I liked it so much. I like the volume. I like the curls. It kind of reminded me how my hair used to be when I was relaxed, because my mom will put like curlers in my hair and my hair will be all curly like this, stuff like that. Like this is how I used to wear my hair when I was relaxed, like curled up. So this is how my hair looks. Feel free to separate your curls some more and just play with your hair. You can do it in different styles. I didn't really do it in different styles. Just kept it like this the whole time I wore it. It did last for about 3 to 4, maybe 5 days. It kind of got puffy at the end because of the humidity in Houston. But as y'all can see here, the back of my hair looks so beautiful. And I'm so excited to do this hairstyle, y'all. My hair was super soft and just stretched out. And it felt so good and moisturized. So guys, if y'all made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know, are you going to do this style? Would you like me to do a twist and braid out? Maybe even on my own natural hair without having it, you know, stretched out? Let me know down below. And until next time, guys, remember that you're blessed. Bye, guys.